But let's say you want to receive Bitcoin to your account instead. Maybe you have somebody who wants to pay you in Bitcoin, or perhaps you have Bitcoin in a separate wallet that you want to move over. You would click on the up and down arrow button again, but in this case, you would then click on receive, and this is going to show you your Bitcoin address. Now, if another person is sending it to you and they're nearby, they could actually scan this QR code with their phone for this process. But in this case, since I'm doing my own wallet, we're going to click on the copy button, and this copies my Bitcoin address. At this point, we're going to head over to my Coinbase app, and I'm going to show you how to paste it in. Over on Coinbase, I don't have a Bitcoin balance right now, but I will show you what this would look like. You would click in the search button here, and then you can either type in Bitcoin or click on it if it's populated at the top. And at this point, you would navigate over to the transfer section and click on the send button in order to send cryptocurrency. At this point, you would click into the box here and you would paste what you copied over. And this is going to be the wallet address from Cash App. And you're going to click on this. And at that point, you can enter the amount that you want to send over. After making a $10 deposit here and purchasing $10 worth of Bitcoin, we have $8.91 left over. There is a 99-cent fee on Coinbase on the low end, so that is going to be pretty hefty on small transactions, but just for demo purposes, we are going to do it. And if you appreciate that, drop a like on this video. We're going to click now on the asset to send, which is our Bitcoin. We have $8.91 available. So let's just go with $8, and hopefully this is even enough that we can send. If I click on preview, and it says the minimum you can send is 0.0001. So if I try $8.91, we'll see if it's enough, and it's just shy of it. So what we'll do is wait for my other Bitcoin to come over, and then at the end, we will send it back over to Cash App. Back over in Coinbase now, we can see the Bitcoin that we sent from Cash App has come over. So if we click on the portfolio button now and select Bitcoin, we can see here that the balance is 1904 and that we received $10 worth of Bitcoin. So if we click on this, we can get details about the transaction, but it has officially completed. And now we can actually send this Bitcoin now back over to Cash App, just so you're familiar with how that would work. So what you're going to want to do now is click on the transfer button at the bottom right, and we're going to send this cryptocurrency. And now we have to locate our Cash App Bitcoin wallet address. Back over on Cash App, you're going to select Bitcoin from the Save and Invest section. You're going to click on the two arrows up and down and then select Receive. And now you're going to copy your Cash App Bitcoin wallet address and then jump back over to Coinbase, and we're going to paste that in. And then we're going to select it from the drop down below and enter the amount we want to send over. So this time now we can send over $19 worth. It's going to be more than the minimum, and we can click on the preview button. And we do need to send a little bit less just to cover the network fees. So I'm going to lower that now to $15 and click preview. And we are now able to send this over, and it says it should take about 54 seconds. So we will check this out, and it is a 59-cent network fee. So we're going to click on the send now button, and just like that, we have sent over that $15. So I'm going to click on done, and we are now going to navigate back over to Cash App and see how long it takes for us to receive the Bitcoin.